Malapit na po. Naamoy na natin ang tagumpay. As election draws closer, we can already smell victory and the return to greatness of our country, the Philippines. I say return to greatness because we are in the cups of victory for our beloved Senator Bongo. A win for Senator Bongo as Vice President will bring us closer than ever to the rebirth of our nation. And keeping with the promise made years ago by his late great father, the beloved President Ferdinand E. Marcos, the Philippines will be great again. Ang ating bayan ay magiging dakilang muli. Ang ating kinabukasan ay liliwanag muli. While some refuse to believe it, the Marcos years in the Philippines were indeed the golden age in Philippine governance and politics. This was also the golden age of our economy, which was then one of the most vibrant and most dynamic economies in Asia. This was the golden age, most especially for peace and order, unity and stability, where discipline prevailed and pride for our restored country. Wala pong ibang yugto sa ating kasaysayan na tayong lahat ay nagpagmamalaki ng ating bayan, na ang ating mamamayan lahat ay may malasakit at disiplina, na ang kayapaan at kaayusan ay nanaig at nagtagumpay. Marcos lamang po ang kakayahang gawin ang lahat ng ito. As events would have it, of course, our march to glory was derailed when the enemies of democracy stole our government, stole our country, stole even our history. It has taken us 30 long years before this chance to finally write history has emerged. Today, we have clear chance to bring back all that was taken from us. In the same way that Ferdinand, the father, made us proud, Ferdinand, the son, will give us hope again. Bilang pagtatapos, hinihingi ko ang tulong ninyong lahat. Mula Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, ay isa lamang sa bansang Pilipinas. Kanya ihalal si Bongo at hikayatin natin ang iba na sumama sa hangaring ito. Long live the Marcos name. Mabuhay si Bongo. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Magandang araw po sa inyo.